Yes. Okay. Chalo, let us start now. So CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, and CH2 and CH3 over here. Okay, students, we are doing IUPAC naming. In the last session, we did common names. Today we are starting with the IUPAC naming. I have already told you the steps for IUPAC naming. Now let us do it one by considering different examples. Okay, let's start with this one, students. Step one. Yes, who will tell me step one? Siddesh. Siddesh, switch on your audio and tell me step one to give IUPAC name to the sound. Step one, Siddesh. Siddesh Salunke, step one. Siddesh, can you hear me? Yes, Vidhi, very good, very good. Your answer is correct. Vidhi, your answer is correct, but only thing you have missed a hyphen, Vidhi. You have missed a hyphen. Yes, Rudraksh, very good. Shabash. Just a second. Manthan, can you hear me, Manthan? Manthan. Manthan. Okay, Tanish. Students, if you're not comfortable on audio, you can message me. No problem at all. Okay, if you're not comfortable on audio, if you're not confident, you can message me. No problem at all. But do not worry. Please speak out so that I can understand where you're falling short of concepts.
Do I have to answer?
Yeah, Tanish, please answer.
2-methyl pentane.
2-methyl pentane. Okay, 2-methyl pentane is wrong answer, Tanish. First, tell me which is the what is the first step
Sorry,
that you will perform, Tanish? Wait.
identify the
Do not.
longest chain.
Yes, that is good. That is good. That is the first step. Very good. Where should I start drawing my? Where should I start counting my carbon, students? Tanish. Where should I
From
start?
left to right.
From left to right. Okay. I'll start from this one. And do I have to stop over here, Tanish, or do I have to go ahead?
Ahead.
Okay, very good. So I have an option over here, students. I can go downwards, and this is the end of the chain. Okay. For all of them who have stopped over here, ye check karo, students. If in case you have stopped over here, considering this as the longest chain, this is wrong answer. Why? Because this is not an end. Okay, you have to go till the end of the chain. You cannot stop in between, students. You cannot stop in between. And therefore, this is longest chain as rightly recognized by Tanish. This is step one. Okay, let us go to step two. Just a second, Pratham, just a second. Let us go to step two. Dhruv, can you hear me, Dhruv? Dhruv Vavle, can you hear me? Shubham, can you hear me? Parth Raut, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Tell me second step, Parth. Tell me second step, step two.
So the second step is to identify the branch or the functional group.
Very good. And we have to encircle them, correct?
Yes. So CH3.
Shabash. So this is the branch. Very well done. What is step three, Parth?
So step 3 is we have to number the carbons.
Very good. Numbering, that is important word. You don't have to say counting. You have to say numbering. Okay, where should I start numbering from, Parth?
The right hand side down, CH3.
Okay, should I start from here? Look at the laser.
Yes,
Should I
sir.
start from here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Read the entire statement which I had written on the screen, Parth. Read entire step three. Please
Okay,
read.
sir. Number the carbons in the main chain. Start from the end closest to the branch of the functional group.
Yes. Now tell me.
Closest. So
Closest.
then we have to start from the other CH3.
Very good. If I start from here, students, I'll get my branch on which carbon? Let us try one. Wait, I'll write over here. Okay.
We'll get it on the fifth side.
So yes, absolutely. So one, this is two. This will be my third carbon. This will be my fourth carbon. This will be my fifth carbon. So I'm getting this on the fifth carbon. See, students, you don't have to judge it. You have to take pencil and write it down in your book so that you identify your mistakes. Okay, you don't have to just do it orally. There will be time where you'll be expert in this. So then you can do it orally, but not now. You're learning right now. Okay, so if I start from left side, 1, 2. So it is coming on second carbon. Immediately I'll identify that there is a mistake. I should not be starting from this end. I should be starting from this end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Parth, how many carbons are there?
Sir,
6
there are
carbons.
6 carbons. So hexane.
Yes, yes, very good. Tell me step 4 part. Tell me step
Sir,
4.
now we have to name the main carbon chain, which will be hexane.
Okay, read the entire statement first. Read the statement which we had written.
With pencil, write name of branch main chain. Branch, comma, main chain.
Very good. What is the name of the branch path?
Hexane. Acha, branch is methyl.
Methyl. Very good. Methyl. So you have to do this with pencil. Okay, Parth?
Yes, sir.
On your structure, you have to do with this pen. You have to do this with pencil so that we do not make any mistakes. I saw your answer in the chat box, and that's why I selected you to answer this
Yes,
question.
sir. I counted
Okay.
it the other side.
Correct. Okay, tell me the name of the main chain part. Main of this main chain.
Main chain will be, sir, hexane because we have 6
Hexane.
carbons.
Hexane is right answer. Hexane is right answer. So now let us come to the final answer part. Let us come to the final answer with
Sir,
address.
the
We have
final
to
answer will be 2-methyl hexane.
2-methyl hexane. Is this correct part? Check karo.
Yes.
Is this correct? Is there any
Uh,
mistake in this naming? Please check properly. There is one mistake which I have done purposely. Very good, Ronak Parmar. You have identified correctly. Yes, Parth, tell me. Shabash Jay Mehta. Very good, Tanish. Very good, Tanish. Well done, Arya. Very good, Pratham Rao. Vivek, Shabash Vivek. Soham, very good, Soham. Chalo, chalo. Let us take an exam. Yes, let us ask Soham about this, and then you'll come to know Parth the mistake. Okay, Parth. Chalo. Soham, please
Yes.
please help us. Soham, please help us.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the mistake over here, Soham?
So you have to write M capital, sir.
Very good. This first alphabet has to be capital. Okay, Parth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us remove this and let us write it in capital form. So this is my actual answer. Okay, 2-methyl hexane. And many of you have replied me correctly, students. So very well done to all of you. Please take a screenshot and let us move to next structure. Okay, I want all of you to participate in this, students, so that I should know how many of you are understanding each and every concept. How many of you are getting this IUPAC naming culture? Okay, so I want all of you to raise your hand if you know the answers. That is what I follow in my lectures. I want all of you to raise your hand if you know the answers so that I can ask you. And if in case you have any issues, ki nahi, I'm not getting this, sir, you can tell me on audio. You can tell me in English, in Hindi, in Marathi, किसी भी language में आप मुझे बोल सकते हो. English, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati is any day welcome. Okay. Other languages I don't know. तो आपको इन लैंग्वेज किसी भी लैंग्वेज में आप मुझसे बात कर सकते हो. आप मुझे बोल सकते हो कि सर मुझे ये नहीं समझ रहा है, मुझे फिर से समझाओ. ठीक है, कोई टेंशन नहीं लेना. Okay, I want each one of you to enjoy this session. Chalo, next example I'll take, students. CH3, then CH, C2, H5, then CH, C2, H5, and then I have CH3. CH3. Please attempt this stepwise, students, and raise your hand if you know the answer. Okay, raise your hand if you know the answer. Raise your hand if you want to talk to me on audio and discuss the name of this structure on audio with me. Please raise your hand. Let me see how many of you are comfortable. How many of you are understanding these concepts? Chalo, students, quickly. Harsha, Vidhisha, Ronak Parmar, all of you, if you're comfortable, please raise your hand, students. I'm getting answers in the chat box, but you people are not active on audio. I want all of you to be active on audio. Discuss the answers with me. Let us make this session more interactive. If you're done with the naming, students, raise your hand. Raise your hand if you're done with the naming. Raise your hand if you're done with the naming, students. This is very simple. This is very, very simple. Okay. Jia, can you hear me, Jia? Jia? Yes. Okay. 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 Very good, Jia. Are you done with this structure? समझ में आ रहा है जिया? Getting all the concepts properly? Yes. Very good. Shabash. Very good. Chalo. So we will begin with Jia. Okay, Jia. Can you please switch on your audio, Jia? Can you please switch on your audio?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us start. So what is the first step, Jia? You have to read the statement first and then tell me how you would go ahead with this structure.
Identify the longest continuous carbon chain.
Okay. Very good. So which one is the chain over here? Which one is the longest chain over here?
Starting from left.
Okay. Starting from left, should I start from CS3?
Yes.
Okay, where should I go? Head towards? Where should I head towards? Where should I continue, Jia?
Continue as in, sir.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, tell me. I should start from the CS3 and till which point should I go, Jia?
Towards the upper one, C2H5.
Okay, C2H5. Okay, understood. Is this the chain that you are talking about?
No, sir. You have to cover the last one as well.
Last one as well. Okay. So you're saying this is your longest chain.
Yes.
Okay, that is wrong answer, Jia. That is wrong answer. I tell you why, Jia. ये देखो, ये check करो. Do let me know if you have realized your mistake. ठीक है, Jia? ये देखो. Now, if you know properly, if you can recollect properly, Jia, in IUPAC naming, you have to count the longest continuous carbon chain. Continuous carbon chain. By continuous carbon chain, what do I mean? I mean you cannot reverse. You cannot come back. So if Jia starts from here, one. ठीक है, ये देखो. Wait. Okay, now if Jia starts from here, this carbon 1, 2, 3. Now Jia has two options. Either Jia can go upwards or straight. Understood? If I go straight, Jia, suppose ये देखो ऐसे अगर मैं आ गया, so now I cannot return back, Jia. I cannot return back and go over here. Understood? This is not allowed because I'm taking U-turn. I'm taking reverse. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Or suppose if in case Jia decides to go upwards, suppose 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Now, if Jia wants to come back and count this carbon also, is this allowed, Jia? Are you allowed to reverse?
No.
No, absolutely no. So therefore, your answer is wrong. Now tell me, which is your longest continuous carbon chain, Jia? Now try. Try karo. Which one is the longest continuous carbon chain?
Starting from left.
Okay, starting from CH3, CH. Now, where should I head? Where should I go towards? Towards which end should I go? Should I go upwards or should I go straight? If I go straight, I'll get one more carbon. If I go upwards, I'll get two more carbons. So which one should I select, Jia? Yes, tell me.
Straight one.
Okay, if you go straight, you get only one carbon. Our aim is to identify longest continuous carbon chain. Okay, Jia, you are allowed to go upwards. You are allowed to go downwards. Only thing is you are not allowed to reverse. Understood? Okay, Jia? Okay. So if in case suppose Jia had taken this route, students, ये check करो, ये देखो. So Jia को कितने carbons मिल गए यहाँ पे? Count, students. 1, 2, 3, and over here I have 2 carbons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you get why I counted 4, 5? ये समझ में आया, students? 1, 2, 3. Over here I have 2 carbons, C2H5. So you will have to count 2 carbons over here. So I have total 5 carbons in my chain. 5 carbons in my chain. If in case Jia had gone with this chain, check karo, students. This one, green one. So how many carbons do I have in the main chain now, Jia? Tell me. Count the carbons and tell me. How many carbons do you have? 4, correct? So which one is longer in this case? Yellow or the green one? Jia.
Yellow one.
Very good. Now try to search some other options also, Jia. See if I can get even longer chain. Longer than pentane. Yes, Vivek, switch on your audio. Vivek, switch on your audio.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, which is other option?
Sir, C2H5 to C2H5.
Very good. From one C2H5 to the other C2H5. Correct, students? Here देखो. This is how you can go. Even this is one of the chain. One of the chains, I should say. ये देखो. है ना? So in this chain, how many carbons do I have? 1, 2, 2 over here, students. है ना? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is the longest chain. Understood, students? This is the longest chain. As I said, you can take right, you can take left, you can start from down, you can start from up, you can go upwards, you can go downwards, but you cannot take a reverse turn. Yes, Vivek, you can mute your audio.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear, Jia? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Shabash, very good, very good. So देखो, you have to, students, you have to get involved. If you get involved, you will be clearing your doubts, okay? You'll be clearing your concepts. You'll be getting more confidence out of this solving of structure, students. So that is very, very important. I'm using yellow color for this, students, okay? I'm using yellow color for this. So this is my longest continuous carbon chain. Okay, tell me step 2, Abhinav. Abhinav, tell me step 2. Abhinav, can you hear me, Abhinav? Abhinav, can you hear me? Okay, Bhavika, can you hear me, Bhavika?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bhavika, chalo batao. Read the statement and tell me what is step 2. What should I do now?
Encircle the branch or function group.
Shabash. So how many branches do I have over here? Please
2.
help me. 2 branches. Very good. So this is first branch. And this is maybe second branch. So these are the only 2 branches which I have. Correct?
Yes.
Tell me next step, Bhavika. Tell me third step.
Number the carbons in the main chain.
Very good. Number the carbons in the main chain. And what
Start
else have we
numbering
written?
from end closest to branch.
Very good. So which end should I start, Bhavika? Please check
Any.
and tell me. Any end. Very good. Any end. If I start from this end, students, if I start from this end, let us see. Check karte hain, chalo. So 1, 2. है ना? 1, 2. Why have I written 1, 2 over here, Bhavika? Please tell me. Why not only
Because
1?
there are 2 carbon atoms.
Very good, because we have 2 over here, students. We have 2 carbons. So you have to give 2 counts over here. Okay, 2 numbers over here. Then third, then this is fourth, and then this is 5, 6. Is that understood, students? So these are 6 carbons over here in the main chain. And if I check, my branches are on third carbon and on the fourth carbon, students. If I start counting from this end, ये देखो, यहाँ से if I start counting from the upper C2H5, then also same thing will happen. Again, I'll get third carbon pe 1 branch, fourth carbon pe 1 branch. So I can start from any end in this case also. It is a symmetrical structure. All right, students. Chalo, Bhavika, tell me next step.
Write name of branch and main chain.
So what is the name of the branch, Bhavika? Tell me, what is the name of the
Methyl.
branch? Methyl. Very good. So methyl, methyl over here, and I have a methyl over here. Okay. Tell me the name of the main chain, Bhavika.
Hexane.
Hexane is right answer. Very good. So hexane I'll write over here. Okay. Tell me next step, Bhavika.
Give the final name.
Okay. Give me the final name, please.
3-methyl-hexane.
3-methyl-hexane. Okay. Let me write the final name given by Bhavika first. 3. Then I'll write methyl and I'll write hexane. Done? Is this fine, Bhavika? Please check and let me know.
Sir, 3,
Rudraksh, wait. Rudraksh, wait. हाँ, बोलो, Bhavika, बोलो. Let us make her realize her mistake. Okay, students?
Second branch is there also.
Even the second branch is there. So we have not addressed the second branch. Correct,
Yeah.
Bhavika? Very good. Shabash. So you'll write 3, 4. Is that fine? 3, 4. Okay. Now, how many methyl groups do you have? How many branches? How would I come to know that there are 2 branches? You have just written the number. You have not written anything else. So you have to write, you have to denote it by using a prefix also. So how you should write, Bhavika? You should write it in this pattern. ये check करो. चलो. So you'll write like this. ये देखो. Di. What do I mean by di, Bhavika?
2.
2. Very good. So dimethyl hexane. Understood? 3,
Yeah.
4. Di. Now D of di is capital. So M becomes small because we know that first letter should be capital. Only the first letter should be capital. Is this clear, Bhavika?
Yes, sir.
Shabash, very well done. Okay, students. Chalo, please take a screenshot and let me know how many of you got this correct. Please raise your hand. Let me see, students. How many of you got this correct? Many of you must have got this wrong because of this die, prefix die. अगर आपने prefix die नहीं लिखा है, answer would be wrong. Answer wrong मिलेगा, students. Acha. Now raise your hand. I want to see how many of you got this wrong because of di die. Chalo. How many of you got this wrong because of di die? ये देखो, check करो. Majority of you, 9 students have got this wrong because of di die. 10 in fact. Siddesh का भी इस वजह से wrong गया. Okay, very good. Well done, Nisha. No problem at all. Okay, Shubham. बाप रे, शुभम का wrong चला गया. Okay, ठीक है. Shubham generally doesn't make mistakes. Okay, no problem, students. Let's go with the next structure and let us see how we can identify. I hope you've taken the screenshot. I hope all of you have taken the screenshot, and I hope all of you are following the steps which I had written on the screen, students. Use your pencil, please. ठीक है, चलो next structure ले लेता हूं मैं. Next structure is CH3, CH2, CH, C2, H5, then CH, CH3, then I have CH2, and I have CH2 and CH3. Yes, students, please attempt this one and then let us start discussing. And I also want others like Bhavika, she discussed with us. I want others, also Bhavika and Jia, they discussed with us very nicely. I want all students to participate in this similar fashion. Okay, students? Same तरह से आप भी participate करो and do let me know what are your understandings so that I can help you, students. I'll be able to help you then. Please attempt the structure. I'll give you 2 minutes and then I'll start discussion. Raise your hand once you're done, students. Raise your hand once you're done, students. Use pencil properly. Pencil use karo. Follow all the steps which I've told you. Please follow all the steps which I've told you, students. Only then you'll get your answers correct. Tanish Rani, I just saw your message about other methyl is not satisfied. Now, what was this message? This message was regarding which?
Sir, वो पहले का था वो question.
So your doubt is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Meet Sony, your answer is wrong. Tanish Rane, your recent message, it is correct. You can use that term. Meet Sony, your answer is wrong. So because Meet Sony has done the mistake, let us go ahead with Meet Sony. And we will discuss with him so that he realizes his mistakes. Okay. Chalo, Meet Sony, can you please switch on your audio? Can you please switch on your audio, Meet? Hello. Hello. Yes, can you hear me, Meet? Meet, can you hear me? Hello. Meet, can you hear me, Meet? No, no, I cannot hear you. Okay. All right. Jay Mehta, can you hear me, Jay? Jay
Yes, sir.
Mehta.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, chalo. We will go ahead with Jay. Jay, you have to help me with this structure. So what is the first step? Read the first step and let me know what should I do on the screen.
Sir, identify the longest carbon.
Okay, identify the longest continuous carbon chain. All right, Jay.
Yes, sir. So,
Use the
CH,
annotation. Use the annotation. You can use the annotation, Jay, and draw the longest chain.
sir, from here to
Okay, I understood. Let me draw. Okay, Eric. You want this as your main chain, correct? Let me draw and then please confirm. This is the main chain according to you, correct?
yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, how many of you have identified any other chain as the longest chain? Students, please let me know. Is there any other option? Is there a longer chain than
Yeah.
this? Is there a longer chain than this?
Sir,
Yes,
not
Rudraksh.
longer, but same. Like
Same, okay.
if we go from C to H5 and then start, then also, and the last CH3, it would be also heptane, 7 carbons.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Very good. Now, students, this is very, very important. As Rudraksh did, you have to do this, students. You have to identify all the options. Do not be in hurry. Okay, you should never be in hurry, students. You should identify all the options and only then you should go ahead. Okay, so now if I'm studying this structure, I can see that I have two options. I have two options. Okay, let us ask Jay Mehta which option would he like to go ahead with. Yes, Jay.
Sir, the yellow one.
By alone. Okay, so I'll delete the green one by the way, students. It is also correct. Green one is also correct. Okay, tell me step 2, Jay. Step 2. What will be my step 2, Jay?
Yes, sir. Just a second. So, step 2 will be encircle the branch or functional group.
Very
CH.
good. Encircle the branches. Branch or branches or functional group. Correct. Chalo. I've encircled your branches. Tell me step 3 now. Step 3.
Number the
Yes. Go.
number the carbons in the main chain.
Numbering the carbon, giving the rankings to the carbons, giving the numbers to the carbons. So please read the statement further, Jay.
Numbering the end closest to the branch or the
Yes,
function.
you should start numbering from the end, which is closest to the function for the branch. In this case, where should I start numbering from? From this end, J, or from this end? Red or black? Which end should I start counting, numbering from?
Sir, it won't matter.
It would matter. It would matter. चलो एक बार check करते हैं, ठीक है? एक बार check करते हैं, चलो. Okay, let us check once. ये देखो जाए. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, Jay. Now please count. One branch is on 4th carbon and the other branch is on 5th carbon. Do you agree with me, Jay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let us take another option. Okay? As I said, you should never be in hurry. You should consider all the options available because initially we are right now studying. We are not understanding this concept. So always give chance to each and every option. Okay. So 1, this would be my first carbon. If I start counting from this end, this would be my second. This would be my 3rd carbon, 4th carbon, 5th, 6th, and 7th carbon. Now tell me.
We should
Which
go
end?
from left to right.
Very good, shabash. Is this clear with everyone, students? Do not be in hurry. Make sure you're counting, you're giving all the options. A single attempt at least, single try should be given to all the options. Okay, Pratham Rao, no, that is wrong answer, Pratham. That is wrong answer, Pratham. Acha, chalo, next step. Next step. Pratham, you will realize your mistake in just a minute, okay?
Write the name of the branch and the main chain.
Very good. So what is the name of what is the name of this branch now over here, the bigger one? Tell me, Jay. What is the name of this?
Heptane.
This branch. What is the name of this branch?
Sir, which one? I'm not. One
I've
is,
drawn
one is
I've drawn an
methyl.
arrow over. Okay, this one is methyl. This one is methyl. What about the other one? This one. Can you see the laser now? Jay.
Sir, my screen has blacked out.
Okay.
Sir, may I answer?
Wait, Rudraksh, wait. We will give opportunity to Pratham because he has done a very small mistake over here. Yes, Pratham. What is the name
Yes,
of
sir.
this branch, Pratham? What is the name of this branch?
Sir, heptile, I guess.
Nahin, it has only 2 carbons. Yes, Rudraksh.
Ethyl.
Yes, very good.
Ethyl.
It is ethyl because I have 2 carbons, right, students? We have only
Yes,
2
sir.
carbons. So it should be ethyl. All right. Now tell me the name of the main chain. Pratham. Main chain.
Sir, heptane.
Heptane is right answer. Very good. I am deleting the numbering which we don't have to consider, students. Okay. So now you should not have any confusion. So this over here is heptane chain. Heptane. Chalo. Now Pratham, tell me the final answer. Tell me the final answer. First you will write heptane, okay? Go in reverse order, Pratham. Write down heptane. Now tell me which branch you will consider, Pratham. This is for everyone. Please focus over here, students. When I have 2 different branches, always give preference to the alphabetical order. Okay, so alphabetically, which comes first, students? E or
Ethyl.
M?
Ethyl.
Ethyl. Very good, ethyl. Okay, you don't have to worry about the number now, students. You don't have to worry about the address. Suppose methyl would have been over here and ethyl over here. So even then 4 ethyl would have come. Okay, students, you don't have to worry about the number. Do not worry about the numbers now. Numbers have been finalized. Address have already been finalized. So we will go ahead immediately with the ethyl. So this is how I'll start, students. 3, I'll write 3 ethyl. 3 ethyl. Next, tell me, Pratham. Next.
4 methyl heptane.
Very good. 3 ethyl, 4 methyl heptane. Is this clear to all of you, students? Please tell me. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Shabash. What about you, Jay? Jay Mehta, Yash Sawant, Ronak Parmar, Vidisha. Students, please raise your hand. How many of you got this correct now? Let me see. Raise your hand, please. How many of you got this correct? Raise your hand. Students who have got this correct, raise your hand. Well done, Meet Soni.
Sir, if we would have been taken C2H5 as starting, so it would be 2 ethyl and 3 methyl.
No. Even then it would have been 3 ethyl. Check karo ek baar. 1,
Yes,
2,
sir. 2, 2.
3.
Yeah, right.
Samjha?
Correct.
Okay. Chalo. Yes, students, let us move ahead. Let us have more structures. ठीक है, और भी structures लेते हैं. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll give you names. You will give me the structure. Okay, students, I'll teach you that also. How to draw structures by looking at the names. Okay, so I'll first give you at least 3 to 4 structures, more structures to practice right now with me. We will discuss them and then we will move on to the next part, which is deriving structures from the names. Okay, students, all of you can lower down your hands. And if you have not taken the screenshot up till now, please do it immediately. Please take a screenshot. I hope all of you are practicing in the book, students. I hope all of you are practicing in the book with me. If possible, have different colors ka pen with you while you are in chemistry session, students. Okay. Always use green color, blue color, red color. Use different colors. Keep different colors ke pen with you so that आपको जरूरत लगे तो आप इस तरह से जैसे मैं कर रहा हूं आपको ब्रांच बनाना है, सर्कल करना है, मेन चेन बनाना है, एंड देन नंबरिंग करना है. सो यूज डिफरेंट कलर्स. फिक्स कर लो अपने कलर्स कि रेड पेन आई विल ऑलवेज यूज फॉर नंबरिंग, yellow pen or maybe green color, dark green color pen I'll use for the branch, then black color I use for the main chain. इस तरह से students make it a habit, because initially अगर आप habit बना लो, you'll start catching each thing properly, each concept properly. Okay, how many of you already doing this? How many of you are already doing this? Different colors के pen you are using? Is there anybody who has already applied this? Tell me on audio, students. Okay,
Sir, I
Rudraksh.
use it.
Okay, very good.
Sir, I use.
Rudraksh. Shabash, well done, Nisha. So if you people, yeah, if you people use this, well done, Ronak. Very good, Meet Sony. It would be very handy to all of you to identify things to this. Okay, then obviously with time you'll be expert in this, and then you won't be needing these things. But at initial stage, you have to get accustomed to these things. Okay, chalo, start karte hain, students. I'll give you 4 structures overall. You have to help me with all these 4 structures. Okay, so I'm muting myself and I'll draw all these structures. You can start drawing them in your book. Use properly, go through all the steps, find out the answers for all 4, and then I'll discuss all 4 with you. Okay, you don't have to send me the answers in the chat box. Keep your answers in the book only. We will discuss, and then you let me know if you got it correct or wrong. Okay. Yes, students, you can start writing the answers now. Raise your hand once you're done with all 4 structures, students. Raise your hand once you're done with all 4 structures. If you have any doubt, write it down in your book and discuss with me once we started this session.
Sir, done right.
Okay, very good. Should we start discussion, students?
Yes, sir.
Very nicely done, Videsha. Very nicely done. All your answers are correct. Videsha, all your answers are correct. Very well done. Chalo. Yes, students. Let us start with Ronak Parmar. Ronak, please switch on your audio. Others, all please lower down your hands, students. Lower down your hands. All of you, Jay Mehta, lower down your hand. Yes, chalo. Ronak,
Yes.
let us start. Let's start with the first one, Ronak. So step one. Tell me step one.
Identify the longest continuous carbon chain.
Okay. So which one is it?
CH3 to CH3 straight.
Very good. This is right answer. CS3 to CS3. Very simple. Step two, Ronak. Fatafat se, fatafat se.
Encircle the branches.
Okay. Step three.
Naming the carbon.
Naming or numbering?
Numbering the main chain.
Numbering. From which end should I start? Left side or right side?
Right side.
Right side. Shabash. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. Should I number these carbons also? 6 and 7.
No.
No. Okay. Very good. Take it. Next. Step 4.
Main chain.
Step 4.
Name the main chain.
Okay. Name the main chain. Take it. So what is the name of the main chain?
Pentane.
Pentane is right. Very good. Next.
Methyl. CH3
Okay.
CH3 methyl.
Very good. Methyl. Name the branches also. So we have named the branches also. Both the branches are methyl. Okay, shabash. Now next, Pratham. Oh, sorry.
Final
Ronak.
answer.
Final answer. What is final answer now, Ronak? Please tell me.
2,3 dash dimethyl pentane.
Very good. 2,3 dimethyl pentane. 2,3 dimethyl pentane. Raise your hand if you got this answer correct, students. If you have got this answer correct, raise your hand. Let me see. Raise your hand. Everyone. Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you've got this correct. 2,3 dimethyl pentane. 2,3 dimethyl pentane. Vidhi, you don't have this option of raising hand. I think. Achha, you have. Good. Okay. So Arya has also got this correct. Very good, students. Majority of you, I think 14 students have got this correct. 15 now. Tanish Rane, what about you? Kya mistake ho gaya? Very good, yes.
Sir, डाई नहीं लिखा.
डाई नहीं लिखा. Okay, very good. Avnish, what about you, Avnish? क्या mistake हो गया, Avnish? Please tell me. Avnish. शुभम. शुभम क्या mistake हो गया? अच्छा, डाई नहीं लिखा. Avnish ने भी डाई नहीं लिखा. शुभम क्या mistake हो गया? Dhruv, what about you? Abhinav. Abhinav, you're not at all replying, not at all speaking to us. क्या mistake हुआ है, Abhinav? बताओ मुझे. Did you attempt this structure? समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Yes, Abhinav. Abhinav, can you hear me? Please reply in the chat box at least. Please reply in the chat box. Sulochana ma'am, can you hear me? Sulochana ma'am. Sulochana ma'am. I will have to. Just a second, students. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Rudraksh. Just a second. Just a second. Abhinav, can you hear me? I don't know what is the issue with him, whether he's understanding the concepts or he's not confident to speak out. Sulochana ma'am, can you hear me? Okay, ठीक है. Let us go ahead. What about you, Nisha? Nisha, क्या mistake हो गया?
Yes, sir. No,
We'll
sir,
get
I
this
got it right.
correct. Acha, very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Arnav, what about you? Arnav Chakravarti. Shabash, very good, very good. Chalo, students, let's move on to the second structure and Rudraksh will help us with this second structure. Chalo, Rudraksh. I'll
Yes,
read
sir.
this, student. ये part में delete कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? Okay, yes, Rudraksh. Second one.
In
chalo.
this structure, all are long chain only. If we
Very
can
good, very good.
consider anything.
Yes, 1, then I have 2, then I have 3, then
and
I
4
have 4,
and
there are
5.
many options. Then even I have this one, 5, and then I have this one also, 6. अच्छा already हमने ये किया था एक येलो वाला. So इतने सारे chains है students, बहुत सारे है ना. हम किसके एक को ले सकते हैं? Yes, go ahead now, Rudraksh.
Now we have to encircle the branches. So there are
Very good.
2 branches, CH3 and CH3.
Very good.
Now we have to number the carbons in the longest carbon chain. So we can go by any side because it is in the middle. So 1, 2, and 3. Now we have to write the name of the branch. So it is methyl.
Methyl, okay.
And the final name is 2.
Name of the box. Name of the box. Main chain. Name of the
Yeah,
main chain.
propane.
Propane. Shabash. Once we are done with this, by using our pencil, students, now things would be easier at your end. Okay. Tell me the final answer.
2-dimethyl propane.
2- okay. 2-dimethyl propane. 2-dimethyl propane. That's it. Done, Rudraksh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vidhisha, can you please switch on your audio, Vidhi?
Yes.
Okay. Anything you would like to add into this, Vidhisha?
Yes, sir. There are 2 branches, so 2,2, both the locations.
Very good. We will have to give address of both the branches. Okay, Rudraksh? That was the only thing missing in this.
Okay,
note.
sir.
So you will have to write 2,2 dimethyl. Even though the branches are same, even though the branches are on the same carbon, still you will have to give address. Okay, by using di, you very well handled both the branches. Now you have given me information key. Yes, both branches are there. There are 2 branches. Understood. But then where are these 2 branches? So for that, you will have to write address for each one of them. Because they're on the same carbon, we will write 2,2. Okay. Suppose अगर वो होते 2 and 3 पे या 1 and 2 पे, तो अपन बोलते हैं 1 and 2. By the way, 1 पे हुआ तो change हो जाएगा नाम. है ना? चलो, well done students, very well done Vidisha. Okay, I'll go to the third structure students. Third structure, Akshat will help me. Yes, Akshat, give me the name for the third structure. Give me name of third structure. Akshat. Yes, Ronak, that is right answer. Tanish, that is right answer. Akshat, can you hear me? Akshat Badani. Akshat Badani.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Pratham, bolo.
Sir, can you repeat the answer? I got disconnected.
Okay, no problem. The answer was 2,2 dimethyl propane for the second one. 2,2 dimethyl propane. Okay, Akshat, no problem. No problem. Very good. At least you replied. कोई टेंशन नहीं लेना है, ठीक है? मैं अभी सिखाऊंगा अक्षत. Okay, Yash Savant. Yash Savant. Third structure, Yash. Third structure. Okay, we will go ahead with Vivek. Yes, Vivek. Chalo, switch on your audio. Tell me the name of the third structure.
Yes, sir. Sir, hexane.
It is hexane. Very good. What did you do with this structure? I'm
Sir-
sure many of you must have got confused with this. What is this exactly?
Sir, it is CH2 4 times.
Very good. CH2 4 times. So this is the actual structure, students. Check karo. CH3. Then I'll come to CH2 4 times. CH2. 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 Understood? CH2 is done 4 times. Now again, I'll draw this CH3 last wala. Ye dekho, students. Did you get this, everyone? Please tell me. Now many of you have again got this answer correct, but बहुत लोगों को नहीं समझ
Yes,
में आया
sir.
है. Akshat, is this clear with you now? Yes, Akshat. Please tell me, did you understand this now? Yes. अच्छा नहीं समझा, अभी भी नहीं समझा? Okay, switch on your audio. Switch on your audio, Akshat. Audio switch on करो. Audio switch on करो, Akshat.
सर
हाँ, बोलो बोलो. कौन सा पार्ट नहीं समझ में आया, अक्षत?
सर आपने जो रेड पार्ट से सर्कल किया है ना ब्रैकेट
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Okay, no problem. ये देख. Can you see this 4, Akshat?
यस सर
Okay, and this 4 is for this group over here. Understood? CH2. Clear है? Okay, so मैंने कैसे start किया? ये देख, इसको पहले delete कर देता हूँ वापस से. इस तरह से start किया. ये देख अक्षत. I have this CH3 over here, correct? So I'll write CH3 first. I'll write CH3 first. And then I have CH2 how many times, Akshat? CH2 is there how many times?
2
CH2 over here. It is 4 times, correct?
यस सर
And so we will have to write CH2 4 times. CH2, 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 CH2. Is this clear?
यस सर
Okay, and then I will have to end it with this CH3, which is already there at the end. So I'll have to write CH3. Now is there any branch, Akshat? Tell me.
नो सर
No. So I'm sure this is my longest continuous carbon chain. Correct?
यस
How many carbons are there in this chain, Akshat? Total, how many carbons are there?
6
6 carbons. Very good. So which alkane is this? 6 carbons. मीथेन, इथेन, प्रोपेन, ब्यूटेन, पेंटेन. पेंटेन के बाद क्या आता है? हेक्सेन. ठीक है अक्षत?
यस सर
You will have to learn this. ये learn करना पड़ेगा अक्षत.
ओके सर
You want me to repeat this? 1 carbon, alkane name is methane. If alkane has 2 carbons, the name is ethane. Okay, Akshat? 3 carbons, propane. Wait, I'll write over here. Let me finish the 4th structure, then I'll write entire thing on the screen. Okay, Akshat?
यस सर
Okay, so you have to learn that. If you don't learn that, then organic chemistry will become very tough for you.
ओके सर
Okay, anybody else has any doubt? Please get it clear, students, for this structure for hexane. Please ask me on audio. If anybody has any doubt for this structure, third one, please get it clear from me, students. Yes, Pratham. Yes. Okay. Yes, Savant. Yes, Savant. Is it clear now, Yash? Yash, is it clear now? Yash Sawant? Okay, Sulochna ma'am, आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, मैम अभिनव को प्लीज फोन करेंगे क्या?
मैम ये सर ये अभिनव है या वैभव है?
अभिनव उपला.
ओके, बिकॉज सर अभिनव करके कोई स्टूडेंट का नाम मेरे पास नहीं, मुझे लगा ये वैभव है.
अच्छा, बिकॉज ही इज नॉट रिप्लाइंग एट ऑल. जरा भी रिप्लाई नहीं आ रहा है, मैसेज पे भी नहीं, ऑडियो पे भी नहीं.
ओके ओके, आई थिंक सर ये वैभव है, बिकॉज ये जो डीपी से मैं इसको पहचान, अभिनव ये रहा.
अच्छा, वैभव. हाँ
वैभव है सर, ये अभिनव नहीं है.
उसका नाम, अच्छा, उसने अभिनव के नाम से आया है अंदर.
हाँ, बट ये वैभव है, मैं बात करती हूँ फिर भी.
अच्छा, एक मिनट मैम, मैं अभी उसको पूछ लेता हूँ पहले. इफ ही इज रेडी टू
हाँ, एक
स्पीक
बार
देन
पूछ
गुड.
लीजिए सर. हाँ,
वैभव, ऑडियो ऑन करो. वैभव, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
यस सर.
हाँ, रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? चैट बॉक्स में भी नहीं, ऑडियो पे भी नहीं.
सर मैं जो हेडफोन यूज कर रहा हूँ ना, उसको माइक ही नहीं है. मैं अब भी रियलाइज कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो एटलीस्ट मुझे रिप्लाई करना चैट बॉक्स में, वरना वैभव मुझे कैसे समझेगा तुझे समझ रहा है कि नहीं. समझा?
हाँ सर, समझ रहे सर वो.
हाँ, शाबाश. तो समझ रहा है तो मुझे ये बताना पड़ेगा कि हाँ सर मुझे समझ रहा है. या तो तुझे हाथ ऊपर करना पड़ेगा, या तुझे मुझे चैट बॉक्स में मैसेज भेजना पड़ेगा कि सर ये मेरे आंसर्स हैं, ये मेरा डाउट है सर, ये मुझे नहीं समझ में आया, या मुझे सारा कुछ समझ में आ रहा है, सो दैट मुझे क्लियरेंस मिले. ठीक है वैभव?
ओके सर. सॉरी सर.
ओके, नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम. डोंट बी सॉरी नहीं बोलना है तुझे. आई वॉज कंसर्न्ड बिकॉज तेरा रिप्लाई नहीं आ रहा था. तो कैसा रिप्लाई नहीं आएगा ना स्टूडेंट्स, all of you, this is for all of you. You can mute your audio now. Sorry, Vaibhav, and please rename yourself.
Okay sir.
You can rename yourself. I have switched on that option already. पहले से ही on है option. तो अपने आप को रीनेम करके आने का स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज अगर आपका एक्चुअल नेम नहीं है तो I'll keep on speaking out your name and you won't realize कि you are being called up. Okay? हाँ, and this is for everyone students. अगर आपको you cannot stay quiet now in these sessions, be it my session or be it maths, be it physics, ठीक है, be it chemistry, be it bio, any session students, you have to be active. आपको मैसेज पे रिप्लाई करना पड़ेगा टीचर्स को, आपको ऑडियो पे रिप्लाई करना पड़ेगा स्टूडेंट्स, सो दैट टीचर्स विल गेट दैट कॉन्फिडेंस कि हाँ इसको बातें समझ में आ रही है मेरी. ठीक है, ये बहुत जरूरी है स्टूडेंट्स. अगर आप मुझे रिप्लाई नहीं करोगे, आई विल नॉट गेट दिस कॉन्फिडेंस कि यस इस स्टूडेंट को समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं समझ में आ रहा है ना. तो अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करोगे तो वी विल श्योरली कॉल यू, इमीडिएटली आपको कॉल करवाया जाएगा. ओके, सो यू हैव टू रिप्लाई मी. आप रिप्लाई नहीं करोगे तो सुलोचना मैम के थ्रू आपको मैं कॉल करवाऊंगा एंड देन वी विल चेक कि आप मीटिंग में हो भी कि नहीं. ओके, दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टूडेंट्स. सो गेट इन्वॉल्व. एज आई सेड, आपको टेंशन नहीं लेना है. अगर सपोज किसी को नहीं आ रहा है आंसर तो टेंशन की बात ही नहीं है. आप मुझे बताओगे, अगर मुझे नहीं बताओगे तो किसको बताओगे? सोचो, क्योंकि मैं ही आपको सिखा रहा हूँ ना. तो आपको बिंदास एकदम बिना डरे आपको बोल देना है कि सर ये तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, आप क्या पढ़ा रहे हो, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं समझा. सो उसमें क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स, आई विल गेट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एक्सप्लेन इट by some other method. कोई और मेथड मैं यूज करूंगा. I'll use some other method and I'll make sure that you're understanding everything. जब सेशन खत्म हो जाए तो you should feel happy कि आज के सेशन में मुझे सब कुछ समझ में आया. Okay, that is very important. That is so very important. You should enjoy the session. And अगर आप रिप्लाई नहीं करोगे तो आपके मन में वो रहेगा, मुझे नहीं आ रहा है, मुझे नहीं आ रहा है, मुझे नहीं आ रहा है. और आपको कब तक नहीं आएगा सोचो, है ना. ये तो स्टार्ट है स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज स्टार्ट ऑफ योर जर्नी. So you have to enjoy this. आप मुझे बोलो कि yes सर मुझे नहीं आया, फिर से पढ़ाओ. I'll teach it again. मुझे बोलो सर कोई और मेथड से पढ़ाओ, ये मेथड मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा. I'll use some other method. We have many methods. All the teachers over here in Catch 25 Science Academy. Okay. So then you will get information कि हाँ अब मुझे समझ गया सर. Then you will start replying to my questions. and then आपको confidence आएगा कि yes, now I'm enjoying this, I'm understanding this. जैसे तनीश आंसर दे रहा है, जैसे भाविका is answering, like विधि is answering, जय मेहता जैसे आंसर कर रहा है, रौनक जैसे आंसर कर रहा है, विवेक आंसर कर रहा है, रुद्राक्ष आंसर कर रहा है. इस तरह से रुद्राक्ष का मुझे मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं, सर मुझे अलाउ करो, प्लीज अलाउ मी, प्लीज अलाउ मी. वैसा आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू बिकम लाइक दैट. यू हैव टू फाइट फॉर योर अपॉर्चुनिटी. सर मुझे क्यों नहीं आप पूछ रहे हो? वैसा होना चाहिए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है? सो ऑल ऑफ यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी एक्टिव. डू नॉट वरी, ठीक है वैभव? कोई भी टेंशन लेना नहीं है किसी को भी. आई एम सेइंग दिस टू एवरीवन स्टूडेंट्स, नॉट ओनली वैभव, एवरीवन. अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये वाला मुझे नहीं समझा, तो आपको मुझे बताना है, बिकॉज आई एम टीचिंग यू. आप मुझे नहीं बताओगे तो किसको बताओगे? है ना? मुझे बताओ सर ये वाला तो नहीं समझ में आया, प्लीज वापस पढ़ा दो. आई टीच यू अगेन. यू कैन से दैट ऑन इन द चैट बॉक्स आल्सो. अगर आपको ऑडियो पे, अगर आपको इफ यू आर हेजिटेंट टू स्पीक आउट ऑन ऑडियो, you can let me know in the chat box, but preferably if you tell me on audio it would be better. Rather than typing, you can immediately switch on your audio and immediately tell me sir mujhe ye wala nahi samjha, please repeat. That's it. That's it students. Nobody will judge you. No teacher will judge you कि क्या इतना भी नहीं आता है क्या? Nobody will judge you. Why? Because this is your start. ऐसे बहुत सारे नए concepts जो आपको नहीं आएंगे students. अगर मैंने सिखाया नहीं अच्छे से तो आपको कैसे आएगा? है ना? So give me opportunity to explain it in some other manner. Maybe then you'll understand it. I hope this is clear with everyone. चलो आगे चले जाते हैं students. I've already got answers. अरे no problem Soham, no problem, no problem. टेंशन नहीं लेना है. Okay. चलो Soham, go ahead. If you can switch on your audio. Soham, if you can switch on your audio, help us with the last one. Last structure, fourth structure. Soham. Ye dekho, now I'm getting reply from every student. Shabash. This is so good, students. This is so good. Yes, meet Sony. Please switch on your audio.
Yes, sir. Now we can hear you.
Yes, I can hear you very nicely now. Chalo, I'll delete this. Meet, you will have to help me with the fourth structure. Okay, so go stepwise. First read out the statement completely and then help me with the name. Okay, Meet. So what is the first step?
To select the longest continuous chain.
To select the longest continuous carbon chain. Very
Carbon
good.
chain.
So where should I start from, Meet?
From CH3 to C3H7.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any other option, Meet? Search for the other options also. Do not be in hurry.
Sir, but it's as same as C2, H5 to CH3. It's same.
Very good. Very good. This is also another option. There's also another option. Ye dekho. Well done, Ronak. Okay, very good. Avnish ne mujhe message kiya hai. Just a second, students. Yes, Avnish. Yes, Avnish. Correct. So Avnish is saying, sir, हमने ये concept already foundation में किया है. Yes, Avnish. Because this batch has started now officially, so we have to do this again. Okay, Avnish. That's the only reason I'm doing this again. Okay. So अपन वापस से एक बार इसको कर रहे हैं so that हमको confirmation मिल जाए concepts पे. And Avnish, this is basics. The next 2 years would be based on this. Okay. Yes. Okay. चलो. So out of these, any one option we can use, Meet. है ना Meet?
Yes,
कौन सा
sir.
option लेंगे बता?
Yellow color.
Yellow color. Okay, chal. Yellow is your favorite color. Now tell me the second step, Meet.
Encircle the branch chain.
Okay, so I've encircled the branch. Third step, Meet.
Number the carbon chain, longest carbon chain.
So which end should I start numbering from? Left
From
hand
right hand
side
side. Right hand
or
side.
right hand? Achha, right hand side. Okay, let us go from the right hand side. So this would be first carbon.
Second and third.
Okay,
The
second and
same.
third also. Shabash, very good. So I'll write 1, 2, 3. So this will be my fourth carbon, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this will be my fifth carbon. This will be my sixth carbon. Is that correct, Meet?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, just for my confirmation, I'll have one more option over here. Let me see if I can count from the left side. है ना? Check करते हैं. चलो. So 1, 2, and 3. ये देखो Meet. So if I start counting from the left hand side, I'm getting my branch on the third carbon. Are you understanding this, Meet?
Yes, sir.
If you have started counting from the right hand side, so you are getting your branch on the fourth carbon. For the same structure, I have started counting from the left hand side, and over there, by this method, I'm getting it on the third carbon. So which end should you start counting from? Tell
From
me.
left hand side, the
From
red one.
left hand side. From left hand side. Shabash. From left hand side. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So let me use blue color once again. 1. This is 2. This is third. This is over here. I have 3 carbons, so I'll write 4, 5, 6 together. Okay. Now tell me next step. Meet. Use your
To
pencil.
name the longest carbon chain.
Yes, you have to use the pencil, right? So what is the name of this chain?
Hexane.
Hexane is right answer. Next step. What else? You will have
To name the branch chain.
branch also. Shabash. So what is the name of the branch? Meet.
Ethyl.
Ethyl. Very good. Ethyl. Now let us come to the main.
Ethyl hexane.
Sorry.
The name, final name. 3 ethyl hexane.
Very good. That is right answer. 3-ethyl. 3-ethyl hexane. Correct? Is this right? Meet. Tell me.
So the E is capital in the ethyl.
Shabash. Very good. Very good. This E should be capital. Shabash, Meet. Very well identified. You have identified everything very properly. The only mistake was the numbering part. Okay, very
Yes,
well done.
sir.
Shabash. So 3-ethyl hexane, students. You don't have to leave space in between. Soham, your answer is correct. Now raise your hand, students. Raise your hand if your answer is correct. Raise your hand if you have got this answer correct. Chalo. Weber, what about you? Akshat, Pratham Rao. Very good, very good, very good, very good. 16 students have got this correct. 16 students have got this correct. चलो बाकी लोगों का क्या मिस्टेक हो गया? पार्थ, प्लीज टेल मी क्या मिस्टेक हुआ पार्थ?
That I wrote 4 instead of 3. I counted from right to left.
Okay, so now you realize, students, देखो हमेशा हमेशा do counting from both the ends. Check करो, do not just be in hurry. Okay, चलो प्रथम राव, you tell me क्या मिस्टेक हो गया प्रथम? प्रथम क्या मिस्टेक हुआ? Pratham, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा अच्छा, tell me. Mistake हुआ या correct गया?
Sir, it's correct.
Okay, correct. Okay. You had not raised your hand, that's why I thought कि you've got it wrong. Okay, so हमने पूछा है, sir, in the first step, we just want more carbon, I think. Yes. Correct है. Correct है, Soham. In the first step, that is in the longest continuous carbon chain, you should always try to select that chain which has the longest carbon or largest number of carbons without taking a reverse step. That should be your motive. Okay. शुभम ने पूछा है, सर मुझे बस वो 3 सम में नहीं समझा था, बट आपने समझाया था, समझ गया. ओके, वेरी गुड शुभम, वेरी गुड शुभम. ओके, चलो आगे चले जाएं स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ आई विल गिव यू द नेम्स, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ स्ट्रक्चर्स फॉर मी. आर यू ऑल फाइन विद दिस? Yes, correct. चलते हैं, चलो, है ना? And after doing that, students, again I will take you into the halogens. or should I take you to the halogens first? एक example और ले ले. Halogens को include कर दूं students इसमें. Halogens को include कर ले इसमें. Then we will go to the structure. Rudraksh, okay with that? है ना?
Yes, sir.
Let us include halogens also, and then we will go ahead. चलो, है ना? मजा लेते हैं. चलो, all of you lower down your hands. All of you lower down your hands. Now, students, whenever I use halogens in this chain, for IUPAC naming, always you have to call them as halo. Okay, Jay Mehta, you can lower down your hand. For example, students, over here in this structure, CH3, CH, Cl I have, then CH2, then CH3, CH3. Okay, so what would be name of this compound, students? Same method you have to follow. Identify the longest continuous carbon chain. Okay, students, then encircle the branches. So 1, 2, that's it. These are my 2 branches. Third step would be, students, count the carbons. Now, very, very important. Please focus over here. Count the carbons. Before that, Now, before this structure, we always had just the alkyl group as our branch. Correct, students? So we preferred alkyl. But now I have halogens. So always you have to prefer halogens above the alkyl group. Okay, students? Ye dekho, these are alkyl groups. Why do I call them as alkyl group, students? Because they are made up of carbons. Okay, alkyl. This is an alkyl group. So I'll have to prefer my halogen. I have to prefer halogen over alkyl groups. Okay, students, this has to be preferred. This has to be preferred. So I will always start counting from the end, from where Cl is closest. I will start counting from the end where Cl is closest. Chalo, batao mujhe, students. Which end should I start counting from? Yes, they are called substituents.
Left
They are
hand.
called substituents. Very good. So such groups are known as substituents, or branch also you can say. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct, students? Now next step. My next step is identify the names. है ना, नाम check करते हैं students. क्या नाम देंगे इसको बताओ. This will get. इसका नाम क्या है देखो, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला hello. So chloro is right answer. Shabash. Very well done. Very well done. The name is chloro. Okay, chloro. Then over here I'll write. बताओ students क्या लिखूं यहाँ पे? Methyl. Shabash. Very well done. Methyl. And then over here the main chain is known as, students, main chain.
Pentane.
Pentane is right answer. Well done, Nisha. Pentane is right answer. She's very quick. She's very quick. Pentane लिख दिया मैंने. चलो. So let us come to the final answer, students. Final answer अपन reverse में लिखते हैं हमेशा. So सबसे पहले what I'll write? I'll write pentane first. है ना? Now go for the alphabetical order, because you have two substituents over here. This is the one, and this is first one. This is second one. So which one should I select first, students, alphabetically?
Chloro.
Chloro is the right answer. Chloro is the right answer. Okay. So 2-chloro. है ना? Then tell me, students, क्या लिखूं अभी next?
4-methyl.
4-methyl.
Dash 4-methyl.
Very good. Should I put dash between O and 4?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because number and letter should be separated by a hyphen. Okay. 4-methyl pentane. Is this clear, students?
Yes,
Is this
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me. Very good. Any doubts still here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now Ronak Parmar has added one more information. Very well done, Ronak. Ronak ने क्या बोला है? Sir, in IUPAC we call it as chloro. In common name we call it as chloride. That is absolutely perfect, Ronak. Absolutely perfect. For common name you will call this chloride. For IUPAC name you will refer it as chloro. Is this understood? Shabash, well done, Ronak. This is how you have to recollect the concept, students. Very nicely done. If all of you want, you can add this in your notes also and circle that Cl and write with pencil or pen, make a note of it and write over there that, make a small box. Inside that you can write, in common naming, this will be labeled as chloride. In the IUPAC naming, it would be labeled as chloro. Okay, well done, Ronak. Well done, Ronak. Chalo, is this clear, students? Now we can enjoy drawing structures. I'll give you the names. Okay, now I'll have more varieties with me. Chalo, let us begin. Yes, Vaibhav, let us begin. Chalo, start करते हैं. So first name for you, students. आपके लिए पहला नाम मैं दे रहा हूँ 2-bromo, then 3-ethyl, 2-bromo, 3-ethyl hexane, 2-bromo, 3-ethyl hexane. Okay. So start drawing the structure, students. I'll write all the names. You can start drawing the structure. Once you're done with all the structures, raise your hand. Okay. Should I teach you? Should I teach you how to draw the structures by looking at the names, students? Should I teach you the first one? Okay,
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. और दोनों ने no reply किया है. ठीक है, no problem. Yeah, students, please draw these structures. Raise your hand once you are done with them. Raise your hand once you're done with them. All of you, please raise your hand if you're done with the structure. Let me see on screen how many hands are raised. Please raise your hand if you're done with the structures. Yes, keep your hand raised. Keep your hand raised. Chirag, keep your hand raised. So, should we start, students? Start करें एक एक करके. No problem, Arnav. No problem. Yes, students. Should we start or you need some more time? Okay, okay. Yes, yes, I'll wait. I'll wait.
Sir, done.
Let's wait for
Done,
2-3
sir.
minutes more. Let us wait for 2-3 minutes more because students need time. Yes, Parth, no problem. Take your time. Important thing is confidence. You should get confidence कि yes, I know these concepts now. आज का लेक्चर मुझे मजा आया, मुझे समझ में आई चीजें. बिकॉज अगर लेक्चर में आपको कुछ नहीं समझा तो लेक्चर के बाद वो तकलीफ देगा. मतलब अपने माइंड में वही घूमता रहता है, आज मुझे नहीं समझा, आज मुझे नहीं समझा, आज मुझे नहीं समझ में आया. So it is very important to calm yourself down. हाँ, okay, you can do this. You can do this. Everyone, take a screen, take an image, take a photo of all your structures that you have drawn and send it in the WhatsApp group immediately. Send it in the WhatsApp group, students. So what we can do is I can immediately check all the structures. है ना? I'll be able to check your structures and I'll be able to comment on those structures. Immediately अपन वो कर सकते हैं. Definitely. ठीक है? You can do that, students. Please send your structures on the WhatsApp group. I'll check those structures. Then let us see कि आपने क्या क्या mistakes किए. ठीक है? Okay, so Rudraksh भेजे हैं structures. So the first structure is 2-bromo 3-ethyl hexane. 2-bromo 3-ethyl 1,2,3 hexane. Very well done. First structure is correct. Rudraksh, your first structure is correct. Next, 4-ethyl 4-fluoro 2-methyl octane. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. 4-ethyl 4-fluoro and 2-methyl octane. Very good, shabash. Then the last one, yes, 2, 2, 3, 3 tetramethyl butane. Absolutely correct. All three structures are correct, Rudraksh. All three structures are correct. Very well done. Vidhi. Okay, 2-bromo 3-ethyl hexane. This is right answer. 4-ethyl 4-fluoro 2-methyl octane. And the third one is also correct. Shabash. Very well done, Vidhi. Okay, Tanish Rani. First structure is 2-bromo-3-ethyl hexane. Nahi. The first one is wrong. Tanish. First one is wrong because instead of ethyl, you have written methyl. So there you've gone wrong. Okay, Tanish, can you please switch on your audio and let me
Okay,
know?
sir.
Okay, हाँ ठीक है. Then second one में Tanish, क्या mistake हो गया? Second वाले में भी mistake है. क्या mistake है Tanish? देखो, third carbon पे you had to put CH2. You have only written CH. Same is the issue with the fourth carbon also. Fourth carbon will not have any hydrogen. You've put hydrogen there. Fifth, sixth, and seventh carbon will have CH2. You have written just CH over there. Understood? So valency में mistake है. Valency में mistake हो गया तनीश. Clear हुआ बातें? Clear हो गई?
Okay, sir.
And third one same issue. Third वाला भी correct है सारे answers, but second and third carbon पे H नहीं आएगा. I hope you're getting the reason why H नहीं आएगा. Because all four
Valency.
bonds are complete. हाँ, 4 bonds complete हो गए. So 4 bonds complete हैं तो we don't have to put hydrogen. है ना? Okay. Who is this? Soham. Okay, Soham का भी rotate, and rotate. Okay. Yes, Soham. So 2-bromo, 3-ethyl hexane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very well done. Okay. Where's the next one? Soham, you've sent me only the first structure. Acha. Okay. Ethyl fluoro ke liye you just have to write F. Okay, Soham. And then again same
Yes,
mistake.
sir.
You have written CH. You just have to write C. Fourth carbon ka charo bonds complete ho gaye. So there is no need to write CH. You have to just write C. Okay. And then 2-methyl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Acha, one more mistake. In the in the second structure, on the fifth carbon, how many hydrogens you have written, Soham? How many hydrogens?
Sir,
written?
3.
3. That is wrong. 3 will always come. CH3 will always come at the end.
Okay, sir.
It should be CH2. Understood? 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
4,
sir.
5, 6, 7. In fact, you need one more carbon in the main chain to complete it, to complete the octane structure. Okay. What about the next? Third one?
Sir, I didn't understand third one, sir.
No problem. I'll draw all 3 structures, students, don't worry. Okay, this one is from Harsh. 2-bromo, 3-ethyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexane. Very well done, Harsh. Next is 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shabash. Very well done. Next is, yes, very nicely done, Harsh. Very nicely done. All are correct. Okay, next is Vivek. Rotate. Okay. So 2-bromo, 3-ethyl. Nahi, wrong hai Vivek. क्या mistake हुआ बता विवेक मुझे. चेक कर third carbon पहले structure में. In the first structure, check your third carbon, Vivek. And if you realize your mistake, do let me know immediately. बता मुझे क्या mistake है.
सर CH3 लिखा.
हाँ, CH आएगा ना खाली. समझा? And fifth carbon check कर. Fifth carbon उधर क्या mistake है?
सर 2 ने लिखा सर.
CH2 आएगा. शाबाश, well done. Next, second structure में fourth carbon पे क्या mistake है विवेक? Fourth carbon.
सर एक्स्ट्रा 2 लिख दिया.
नहीं, extra 2 नहीं, CH2 ही नहीं आएगा, सिर्फ C आएगा, only C. H नहीं आएगा, है ना? And second last structure again, second last carbon again mistake हो गया. Second last carbon पे check कर. 7th carbon पे क्या आएगा? You have written CH. Second structure में ही, in the same structure, second structure. And the second last carbon, you have written CH. It has to be CH2. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And then same structure में second carbon पे, the carbon which has methyl branch. that carbon should also be CH instead of CH2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Sir,
this
वो
is very, very
confuse हो रहा है, sir.
important. Okay, no problem. Students, this is very important to identify. Third wala correct hai, Vivek. Third wala structure right hai. It is very important to identify the valency, students. Arya has also sent me. नहीं Arya, same mistake. Valency wala issue है students सबके साथ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know that.
Second structure में CH
I've corrected it.
है, it should be CH. Okay, very good. And then third structure भी same issue है. First structure में first structure is one, two. Yes, it is absolutely correct. The first one is correct. Okay.
Yes, sir. In the last one.
ओके राउत के लिए क्या क्या इशू है? फर्स्ट वाला तो करेक्ट है, सेकंड वाला में मिस्टेक है, CH है ना, खाली C आएगा. ओके, CH डाल दिया है जहां पे F and पार्थ. पार्थ, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड द मिस्टेक पार्थ?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you explain me the
Third
one with
Sure, sure.
C and CH once again?
Third one is wrong. I'll explain you. Don't worry. I'll explain you right now. Okay. मीत सोनी का चेक करते हैं स्ट्रक्चर क्या है. मीत सोनी. ओके, very good. First one is correct. Shabash. Second one is also correct. And third one is also correct. Very well done, Meet. Very well done, Meet. Okay. Nisha. Yes, Nisha. First structure is correct. नहीं. First structure wrong हो गया निशा. Mistake हो गया. Mistake क्या हो गया निशा? You've put CH2 3 times. So your last carbon will also be CH2. But last carbon has to be CH3. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? So
Yes,
you could have written it in this manner, CH2 twice and then a bond and CH3. वो correct होता है. Understood? समझ में आया मैंने क्या बोला निशा?
Yes, sir.
I'll show it, don't worry. I'll show it on the screen also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. देखो. नीचे you have done it in the perfect manner for the second one. Similarly, you have to do in the first one also. CH2 twice and then a CH3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second structure is absolutely fine. Very nicely done, Nisha. So she has used a method which nobody has used as of now. Yes. Only except the first structure, rest all are fine. Okay. Pranav के structures देखते हैं. Pranav, first structure is correct. Second structure is wrong. Can you identify your mistake? Yes, Pratham. Second structure में mistake क्या है?
Sir, CH.
Very good. CH. And then third structure में mistake क्या है? Mistakes, I should say. Third structure. Same CH. है ना? Okay, correction कर लो फटाफट से. Arnav के structures, let us see, students. Okay, very good. First is right. Second is right. No, second is wrong. CH3 नहीं आएगा. Arnav. Second carbon will be CH. The carbon which is having methyl branch should be CH. समझ में आया?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Yes. चल आगे जाते हैं. शुभम, your structure is wrong. Valency issue. CH2 नहीं आएगा first structure में. It should be CH3, CH. Both the carbons which are having branches, the first which is having Br should also be CH, and third one should also be CH. So second and third carbon should be CH.
Okay, sir.
Third structure is correct. Second structure you have not drawn. No problem. Okay, Pratham. Correct है. Correct है. चलो, let us move on the white screen. मैं आपको समझाता हूँ. ठीक है students? चलो white screen पे आ जाते हैं. And let us do one by one, है ना? एक एक करके structures करते हैं. चलो. So 2-bromo-3-ethyl hexane. ये वाला कैसे draw करेंगे students? Let me use this space. 2-bromo-3-ethyl hexane. Okay. I'll delete this. And I'll use this space. Now, always students, हमेशा याद रखो, whenever you are asked to draw structure by using the name, I saw this इन रुद्राक्ष का फोटो, आई थिंक रुद्राक्ष ने बहुत सिंपल तरीके से वो ट्रिक यूज किया है. एंड इफ यू सी हिज इमेज, जो उसके स्ट्रक्चर्स के इमेज है, चेक करो स्टूडेंट्स. आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू चेक दैट इमेज. सबसे पहला फोटो रुद्राक्ष ने भेजा था, चेक करो. ही हैज डेफिनेटली यूज्ड दिस टेक्निक जो मैं अभी समझाने वाला हूं. रुद्राक्ष ने क्या किया है, he had just put, he has started with this in this pattern students. ये देखो हेक्सेन मैंने बोला तो उसने पहले ये 6 कार्बन्स बना लिए, श्योरली उसने ये किया है. Am I right, रुद्राक्ष?
Yes, sir.
And why I could make this out? Because he has used different color to put hydrogens, है ना? So 2-ethyl, sorry, what was the name students? क्या नाम है? 2-bromo
2-bromo 3-ethyl hexane.
Okay, 2-bromo 3-ethyl. Chalo, let us go ahead. So hexane is done, students. You should not put hydrogens. That is where mistake happens. You should not put hydrogens initially. Okay, now let us put the substituents first and the branches also. Okay, जिसने ये mistake किया उसका ही wrong है. देखो आपका mistake कहाँ हुआ, यहाँ पे हुआ. आपने क्या किया, पहले हेक्सेन बना लेते हैं. So आपने ये किया, देखो स्टूडेंट्स, CH3, CH2, 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 CH2 and CH3. Done. Now आपने चेक किया वापस से नाम में क्या दिया है, 2-bromo 3-ethyl. बहुत सिंपल है, 2-bromo and 3-ethyl. ये आपने किया, डेफिनेटली आपने ये किया है, एंड देयरफॉर आपका मिस्टेक हो गया. अंडरस्टूड? सो आपको करना क्या था स्टूडेंट्स, आपको ये करना था. ये देखो ये सब गायब कर देता हूं मैं, है ना. और अभी रुद्राक्ष ने क्या स्मार्टनेस दिखाया मैं आपको बताता हूँ, ठीक है. उसने क्या किया, एंड सेम थिंग वाज डन बाय विदिशा आल्सो. वेरी नाइसली डन. हाँ, वेरी गुड तनीश. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द मेन चेन व्हिच इज हेक्सेन. ऑलवेज रिवर्स में जाओ, रिवर्स में. पहले लास्ट वाला चेक करो नाम क्या है, हेक्सेन. सो ड्रॉ कार्बन स्केलेटन, नथिंग एल्स, कार्बन स्केलेटन. नाउ गो फॉर द ब्रांचेस और सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स और द फंक्शनल ग्रुप, वो भी आप लिख सकते हैं. सो ब्रांच मैंने क्या क्या दिया, 2 पे ब्रोमो दिया मैंने स्टूडेंट्स, करेक्ट. सो आई विल राइट ओवर हियर 2-bromo and 3 पे I have put ethyl. So let me put ethyl completely. यहाँ पे you have to put hydrogens also because you know कि ये ethyl ही है. So you cannot just put C2. You have to write hydrogen also. Complete structure यहाँ पे लिखो, C2H5. Now come back. और कोई branch बाकी है? नहीं बाकी है. So I'll come back to the labeling part. So now if you notice रुद्राक्ष ने इस तरह से अलग कलर यहाँ पे यूज किया है students उसके बुक में. CH3. Now check the second carbon, 3 bonds are already there. So I'll have only 1 H. For third carbon also 3 bonds are already there. ये देखो 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds are already there. So if 3 bonds are there, I will have to put only 1 hydrogen. Correct? And then काफी simple है. Check करो students. काफी simple है process. समझ में आ गई बात? Take a screenshot. Students, take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot. So this is the correct structure for the first name. For the first name, ठीक है? Okay? चलो. Do you want me to write the name also over here, students? ये लो मैं लिख देता हूँ 2-bromo 3-ethyl 2-bromo 3-ethyl hexane. Okay? Take a screenshot if you want. 2-bromo 3-ethyl hexane. All right? ठीक है. चलो मैं आगे बढ़ जाता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर लेट अस चेक. यहाँ पे बहुत लोगों ने मिस्टेक्स किया है ना. सो अभी इसमें क्या करेंगे अपन, बहुत सिंपल है. गो विद द लास्ट नेम फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स. ये देखो हमेशा इसको देखने का पहले, ऑक्टेन, राइट. सो आई विल हैव टू ड्रॉ 8 कार्बन्स, 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Done. Let's go to the branches now. I will not put hydrogens. Hydrogens मैं last में डालूंगा. Okay, so which is the, you can go in any order now. For branches, you can go in any order. So this is 4-ethyl. Okay, students, now while drawing the structure, हमेशा आप यहीं से counting करो, है ना, because आपको कोई टेंशन नहीं है. आपको ब्रांच डालने हैं तो आपको काउंटिंग किस एंड से स्टार्ट करूं, ये क्वेश्चन आना ही नहीं चाहिए. एनी एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट, बट मेंटेन दैट एंड. सो ऑलवेज यू शुड स्टार्ट काउंटिंग फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. यहाँ पे ये आपको सिंपल कर देगा चीज. 1, 2, 3 and 4, है ना. दिस इज माय फोर्थ कार्बन. लेट मी पुट इथाइल ओवर हियर स्टूडेंट्स. C2H5. 4 पे आ गया इथाइल स्टूडेंट्स, है ना. तो ये वाला पार्ट को ऐसे टिक मार्क कर दो, टिक कर दो. डन. Now I'll come to 4 fluoro. 4 पे fluoro भी बोला है. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Same end से counting करो and write F. Do not write FL. Okay, students, it is F. Cl के लिए Cl is for chloro, Br for bromo, I for iodo, F for fluoro. Okay, Br, Cl, F, I. All right, next. So this part is also done. Let us give it a tick mark, students. ये part मेरा हो गया. Now I'll come to 2-methyl. On the second carbon we have methyl. It should not happen कि अभी आपने यहाँ से counting किया, अब यहाँ पे जाके आप methyl डाल दोगे. This is wrong. है ना, अपनी मर्जी ऐसे नहीं चलेगी. You should maintain single order. तो हमेशा start counting from the left hand side only. So 1, 2, second पे आ जाएगा methyl. Is this understood? Give a tick mark to methyl also, students. This part is also done. Is there any branch remaining? ऐसे करो आप practice. ठीक है, इस तरह से आपको करना है. अभी आपका learning phase है. आपको ऐसे follow करने हैं मेरे steps. Then only आपके answers right जाएंगे. Follow each and every step which I am asking you, which I am following. ऐसे tick mark करने का अच्छे से. And then go with the balancing part, students. So balancing part कर लेते हैं. चलो. CH3. Second carbon check करो कितने bonds दिख रहे हैं. 3 bonds already there. So only 1 hydrogen should come. Then over here 2 hydrogen should come. In the fourth carbon, students, for the fourth carbon over here, all bonds are fulfilled. So I don't have to put any hydrogen. Okay, next carbon CH2, 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 CH3. That's it. This is the correct structure, students. This is the correct structure. Please take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot. Is this clear? Tell me on audio, students. This is wrong आया था. Please tell me on audio. This is clear
Yes,
now.
sir.
Very good. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Any doubt, students? Please ask me if you have any doubt. Please ask me if you have any doubt. ठीक है. आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. Let us go with the next structure, students. Let us go with the next structure. Next structure पे चलते हैं. ठीक है. बहुत simple है. बहुत simple है. Now इसमें बहुत लोगों का issue हो गया. So अभी same follow करो. चलो. Same follow करो. ठीक है. Especially those जिनका mistake हुआ है, please draw structure with me. अपने trick से draw करते हैं. चलो. सबसे पहले which one we will handle, students? कौन सा word को ध्यान देंगे अपन सबसे पहले? Tell me. Tell me on audio.
Bute.
Butane.
Butane, superb. Butane should be focused first, है ना? So butane draw कर लें. चलो. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'll put hydrogens. Correct, students? बताओ मुझे.
No.
Right है? नहीं. Right नहीं है, students? Wrong है क्या ये?
Branches.
Branches. Very good. So I should not focus on hydrogens. I should focus on branches. है ना? So branches को check करते हैं. चलो. Now how many branches do I have? Tetra means what, students?
4.
Very
Four.
good. This means 4. 4. What 4 do I have? Which group I have?
4 methyl.
Very good. Methyl means what? CH3. ये देखो. So I have CH3 4 times. 4 times I have CH3. And which are the places, which are the carbons where I have these 4 CH3? I have one on 2 second carbon. I have one more on second carbon. I have one more on third carbon. And I have one on third carbon again. That means ऐसा कुछ. Second carbon पे 2 CH3 दे दूंगा. CH3, CH3. है ना? So this part is done. Check करो, students. Then I'll go to the third carbon. CH3, CH3. This part is also done. Correct, students? तो देखो ये पूरा आप solve हो गया. Please take a screenshot if you want. Please take a screenshot if you want, students. Now this part is done. है ना? सब कुछ हो गया. Check करो, students. सब कुछ हो गया. So मैं ये पूरा delete कर देता हूँ. I'll delete this and even the main chain is done. So now the leftover part is the balancing part. So CH3 and CH3. इसका पूरा valency fulfilled है. So you don't have to write any hydrogen over here. Valency is fulfilled. So you don't have to write down hydrogen over here. Okay. चलो बताओ. Is this understood, students? Is
Yes,
this
sir.
understood to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Especially to those जिनको नहीं आया था. उनके लिए, students, please tell me, is this understood? Is this understood? Shabash. Okay, very good. So now students, आज का homework क्या है? What is the homework for today? Okay, homework is you have to look into the names को अब तक हमने जो भी IUPAC naming आज हमने पढ़ाया है students, ठीक है? What you have to do is take a paper. आज के चैप्टर में, आज के हमने लेक्चर में जितने भी IUPAC पढ़े हैं या लास्ट में या फाउंडेशन बैच में जहां भी आपने wherever you have written IUPAC names, you have to write down those names. Just write down the names on a piece of paper. So accumulate 10-12 names आपको आराम से मिल जाएंगे. खाली नाम लिखो पहले, ठीक है? ये एक पहले काम कर लेना है. And then you have to draw structures of those names. उन names के structure draw करने हैं, तो आपका structure practice हो जाएगा. Next, आपने फाउंडेशन बैचेस से लेकर अब तक, आज तक जितने भी structures draw किए हैं, उन structures को एक पेपर पे लिख दो. And then try to name them by IUPAC. So both the jobs are done. एक आपने IUPAC naming किया structure देख के, एक आपने name देख के structure बनाया. Am I understood, students? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Am I understood? All of you? Is this part clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us meet next time. All the best. And I would be expecting you people to make video, students. Okay, Bhavika, I will repeat the homework, Bhavika. Bhavika, you have to go through these structures which we have practiced today. Okay, write down all those structures, and if you have structures from the foundation batches, from the previous lectures, draw all the structures on a single page or maybe 2 pages, 3 pages. Draw all the structures and try to give them IUPAC. Similarly, if you have already IUPAC in your book during this lecture or maybe during the last lectures, if you have IUPAC with you, write down those IUPAC in a single sheet of paper and then try to draw those structures for those IUPAC. Okay? Is that clear now? Is that clear now, students? What you can do is, जब बाकी लोग अपने होमवर्क सबमिट करेंगे, उनका भी शीट देखो, आपको और भी स्ट्रक्चर्स मिल जाएंगे, आपको और नाम मिलेंगे. It is all about practice. All about practice, students. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Take a very good care of yourself, students.